So how to estimate the square root of 58? So let's try to figure out what is the closer square number lesser than 58 and more than 58, and that is 49 and 64. So 49 is a square number, so the square root of 49 and the square root of 64, they're both square number. So in this case, where the square root of 49 is 7 and the square root of 64 is 8, because 8 times 8 is 64 and 7 times 7 is 49. So if you're going to draw your line there, so mark both ends as put the right side is 8 and the left side is 7. So put on top of 7 and get the middle between 7 and 8, which is 7.5. On top of 7, you can put the square root of 49, and on top of 8, you can put the square root of 64. So let's take the distance between, or the middle point between square root of 49 and square root of 64, and that is the square root of 56.5. All you have to do is subtract 64 minus 49 and then divide it by 2. And then after that, get the distance or the midpoint, the middle between 7.5 and 8, and that is 7.75. You take the distance between 64 and 56.5, the middle between that is 60.65, or the square root of 60.65. And then as you can see, the middle between 56.5 and 60.65 is the square root of 58. So it's approximately between 7.5 and 7.75, which is 7.6. So therefore, square root of 58 is approximately 7.6. Alright? That's all. Bye.